Okay, so what we're doing now is, I'm sure this is something everybody's been having issues with, or at least one point has ran into the issue of they go to pull this, the hood latch, and nothing. Well, you're not alone. Pretty sure they designed these just so that those latches would fail. But I will show you how to get into it should you ever need to. Alright, so right here on both the passenger and driver side is the exact same setup. So this cable either gets too much slack in it, it's too tight, or it breaks inside, and we'll go over that in a minute. But in order to get to this when it is closed, in order to release it, all you got to do is take these bolts out right here. There's one here, here, and up there, and this cover plate comes off. So whenever that cover plate's off, when the hood gets closed, I'll show you. So whenever that cover plate is off, you can go right in there. Alright, so there's there and there. Yeah, so that's it. So to remove those bolts, this will pull down and you can go straight up and release that cable manually. Another problem that you have is the handle itself. I know this one looks like it's fairly decent, which it is, because not even a month ago this was the old one. So what happens is right here on the end where it's broke off, there's a rounded piece of plastic and a pin runs through there, and it's got these two super small little clamp, I guess you'd call them like clamp washers almost, that fit onto that guide rod that runs through the middle there and holds it in place so that it doesn't move side to side. Now when they move side to side, or one of those clamp pieces come off, you have to pull the whole thing apart to get to it. Alright, so right there you can see where the one cable fits in, and then hopefully you can see that over here the other side fits in. But right here is where that rod runs through. You'll put that rod in, connect those pins, and that's how you replace it. But in order to get this off, you have to remove, you got to pull this back, and there's one there and another one right over there underneath the carpeting that you have to release to pull that whole assembly down and then replace the latch. So if you're having problems with it, you can go ahead and replace it. Pretty big chance that you're going to run into the same problem again. So if you replace it, make sure you go ahead, adjust the cables how you want them to. Everything will be working fine, and then one day you're going to go out there, try to pull the hood latch, it's going to break, or it's just not going to open at all. Quick, easy video, but I know that's a huge headache, so hopefully it helps somebody out.